Welcome to another episode of the Mushroom Minute, only found on the Mushroom Network. And today's focus is the ever so delightful Pioppino mushroom, also known scientifically as the Agrocybe Aegerita. Here we go. The Pioppino mushroom, with its brown cap and slender stem, is often found growing on decaying logs and is a favorite in Italian cuisine, especially in pasta dishes and risottos. Delicious, isn't it? This mushroom has a rich, nutty flavor, paired with a slightly crunchy texture when cooked. This makes it a cherished gourmet mushroom in various cuisines. Beyond its culinary uses, preliminary studies have suggested potential health benefits of the Pioppino mushroom, including antioxidant and neuroprotective properties. To discover the intriguing world of Pioppino and many other mushrooms, head to the Mushroom Network's marketplace and keep tuning into the Mushroom Network YouTube channel for more deep dives into the kingdom of fungi. Thanks for watching.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.